today I'm going to show you how to do an easy updo look that's no more than 2 ponytails and a couple of bobby pins. So first of all, where my hair is at right now, I curled it 2 days ago. I've been working out, pulling my hair up, sleeping on it, so kind of lost the it's a little crazy right now. So today's an updo day. Pulling it up. So fun fact: dry shampoo is meant or works best when you use it on fresh washed hair, and it will absorb the oils before it has a chance to make your hair really oily. And then that way you only have to use a little bit every day instead of using a ton and making your hair super awesome when your hair is really greasy. So use a little bit at a time, fresh washed hair every day after that. So I've got dry shampoo in my hair right now. So what you're going to want to do first thing, if you're looking to dress it up a little bit more, you can do a little bit of back combing with a comb, just to give you a little more volume or a little more structure. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this part, but it'll just give you a little bit more. So just take it a little, 2 sections, move it out a little bit. Okay, now you're going to split your hair down the middle, 2 sections, and you want to do a ponytail on one side, and you want to keep them fairly close to the middle. Alright, I'm going to get front part looking like how I want it, and then I'll show you what I'm doing in the back. Okay, pretty good. Okay, so first one, keep it close to the middle. And just 2 times around. And the last time you pull your hair through, just keep it in that little knot. You don't pull it all the way through your ponytail. You want to keep that little button. Okay, now to the other side. Alright, so we got 2 little buns. 2 little buns. Okay. Okay, from here, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so you're going to put your fingers through one bun, and then you're going to take the other one and lace it through, or just pull it through. Okay, just like that. And then you're just going to bobby pin in place. Alright, so let's see what it looks like so far. Oh, so far so good. Okay, great. Okay, so what's left over, these little pieces, just going to wrap them around. There it is. Okay, then for the face, the front, if you like it more slicked back or if you like some pieces coming around your face.